Hello, my name is Omar Gatica, and I would like to welcome you to the Art of Lighting for Games. This is a 10-week course focusing on how to approach the lighting of real-time game environments within a professional production pipeline. I'm very excited to be your teacher. First off, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I've been working professionally in the gaming industry for over 12 years. In that time, I have worked at such studios such as NCSoft, where I was lighting pre-rendered game cinematics for Guild Wars, Activision Central, where I worked in R&D as well as various cutscenes and demos, Naughty Dog, where I shipped Uncharted 1, 2, and 3, Neversoft, where I worked on Call of Duty Ghosts, and at present, Infinity Ward, where I continue to be involved with the Call of Duty franchise. I've also worked in visual effects on various commercials and even a couple of films. Having that said, I can honestly say that my passion lies with the art of making games and runtime interactive experiences. The goal of this course will be to demonstrate a practical approach to in-game real-time lighting within the context of a production pipeline. I'm going to be working in Unreal Engine as it is an easily accessible platform that we can all use. However, the workflow and techniques will be presented in as much of a software agnostic format as possible. This is because many studios use either proprietary or heavily modified engines that are unique or exclusive to that studio's production pipeline. So, in short, my goal is to teach how to think about lighting for games and not how to light in Unreal. These techniques will apply to any contemporary pipeline. I am also going to focus on a larger AAA style platform, mainly because this is what I work with. And thus, I'm not going to focus on VR or mobile platforms as they are more limited. My course will guide students through weekly examinations of different lighting scenarios and environments. I will demonstrate how I approach lighting them and the workflow that I use to get them from a conceptual state to a working playable level. Week 1, Exterior Environments. We'll be considering player pathing and mood, setting up the sun direction, color, and intensity, and setting up the skylight and dome. Week 2, Exterior Environments continued, understanding HDR values, understanding post-processing, and we'll be setting up a different time of day than in the previous example. Week 3, Interior Environments, considering the player pathing and mood, thinking about visual language and leading the eye, setting up local lights, and setting up interior reflections. Week 4, Interior Environments continued. We'll be looking at basic light budgeting, visual language, emissives, and IES profiles. Week 5, RTS. This class will examine a top-down real-time strategy environment. We'll be looking at player pathing, visual language, and effect light contribution. Week 6, multiplayer versus single-player considerations. We will be looking at character visibility, post-processing, and considering performance. Week 7, cutscenes, environment lighting. We'll be lighting an environment for cutscenes. We'll be considering special cases, dynamic conditions, moving platforms, scripted lights. Week 8, cutscenes, character lighting. We will be working with a 3-point light rig and examining character readability. Week 9, final project. We will be putting together a final level with interior and exterior areas, discussing color grading, and post-processing, volumetrics, and auto exposure. And Week 10, final project continued. We will be discussing performance, PBR, and also discussing the expectations of a professional work environment. So with that, I thank you for your participation in this course, and I look forward to the weeks to come. Let's have fun, and let's get into it.